everybody, Sean from Iron Sword Spices, and tonight we're going to make a modified version of chicken cordon bleu in the Instapot. Looks really great, can't wait to see it right at the end. Super yummy. The recipe originally started because a certain spoiled, ratty, finicky, fussy camera person does not like Swiss cheese. So if you've got one of those in your house, this is perfect. If you don't, this is still a great meal. It's a favorite around here. They're awesome. Come on, let's get to it. We'll start by butterflying our chickens. Oops, butterfly chicken. It's not a special species, it's just a cut. And you just come in about halfway down. Just cut straight through it. Once you get your chickens split, butterflied, put a piece of plastic wrap underneath it and on top of it. And you can just go after it with the hammer. Take that chicken to Pound Town. And once you're done with your workout, we're going to take prosciutto. I'm just going to put a little bit on the inside. It's really good if you have not had prosciutto before. It's a cured Italian meat. We're going to put down our mozzarella there. And going to hit it with some of the good seasoning. Oh, that's a lot. That's what you get for using a full jar. And then you just take it and roll it right up. It's ready to go. We got 3 more to do. We're going to put down our Italian seasonings, hopefully in a way that I don't dump half a jar on there. Look at that. Who's a pro? Who's a pro? Once you get them all rolled up, you can kind of tuck the ends up under a little bit and take a little bit of prosciutto and just sit it right up on the top up here. Just like that. It's very, very fatty, so it's going to help keep the chicken tender. And if you look at them just right, they look like a chicken sashimi. Nothing says gourmet like a trip to the emergency room. Alright, these go right into the Instapot. Alright. These are going to fit in here pretty snug, but that's okay. Gonna hit it with a little bit of wine, between 1/8 and 1/4 cup. Like they say, if you won't drink it, don't cook with it. But that doesn't really narrow it down. You can put a little splash of water in there, also about 1/4 cup. And we're gonna give it a little bit more seasoning right up on top. And then we're gonna smush it. It's a pressure cooker. That's what they do, right? They smush your food. Pro tip number 17A. Never buy equipment that's smarter than you are. Hey, lucky number 7. All good. Alright, and now we wait.
Does Daddy need a romantic interlude while he's waiting for the chicken to cook?
It's in 7 minutes, I could do it twice. Sashimi no more. Alright, like always, cook to temperature, not to time. I'm looking for 165 on this. And we are there, so sashimi no more. We'll pull these out, stick them on a baking sheet. We're going to put a little bit more cheese on them. And get it nice and brown and gooey up on top. Ooh. An escapee. We can go in there. Alright, we're going to put a bunch of mozzarella on here. This is why you foil line your pans, because this will destroy your baking sheets. So it goes into the broiler. Just keep an eye on it, because it's going to go fast. That. Oh, nice and brown. Crunchy, crispy. Look at those. Nice and cheesy in the middle. Pretty those are. Let's cut one open and see what we got inside. And find a clean knife there, and yes, I did wash the cutting board. Nobody panic. Oh yeah. That. Gonna be delicious. Definitely want to try this. Super fast. Super delicious. Let us know what you think down in the comments. Thank you. Now we gotta take a bite. Oh, did you want some? Did you want some chicken Nostra Blue? Chicken Nostra Blue? Yeah. Well, we have to give it to them first. As long as they subscribe, you can have some.